Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Inogen. Inogen has recently shown a breakdown of a positive trend that took place last couple of weeks. And now it's a question, is it still a good stock to buy? And if it is, what are the interesting buy and sell opportunities? So let's have a look at it. First of all, let's look here at the trend that was clearly broken 2 days ago. But we also need to remember that this trend breaking was not caused due to Inogen specific situation, but it's just a general market situation, and many other stocks are observing similar behavior. So it's not that negative thing. Among the positive signs that we can see here is that RSI index is actually going below 30, so reaching oversold opportunity, which creates positive uptrend pressure here, though not that big for the moment, but still it's being developed. Then if we look at the convergence divergence index of MACD, we can say, although again it's still kind of downtrending here, it's already in the negative zone, so the reversal is expected. That's why let's draw it in the yellow. And with time we can actually expect some reversal. Among the more stronger signs, actually, it's the candle combination that we see of yesterday and today, and this is, I would say, the most strong sign that the close reversal, though short-term reversal is expected. It's this combination, it's a double red, but the second one is actually appearing higher than the middle of the previous candle. This means that market is expecting quite some reversal, and if you also look at the volume of the trades, it's also quite high, higher than here, for example, meaning that people are really buying a lot and traders are expecting stock to reverse. So it's a very strong technical situation to reverse, although it might be that for the moment it's still a little bit too early to buy this one, but its buying points are coming. So let's have a look what would be the safest moment to buy this stock. So if we would continue the trend, let's say up till here, and then if we look at today's situation, let's say given that this trend of today will stay, we can already say it's kind of volatile here, so market is deciding, although the candle is not formed yet. We can say that everything that falls below the level of 31.50 is actually a very good buying opportunity here. So this box, anything that falls below that box is a very good buy opportunity here. And everything that goes below this line, actually here, would be super strong buy opportunity, but I don't even think the stock will reach that low, because as I said, the combination of two reds, where the second one starts higher on the middle of the previous one here, it's a very bullish, let's say it's a delayed bullish combination. So although it's not guaranteeing you reversal immediately, but in time it is there, especially given that RSI is going down, so stock is more and more in oversold combination. Just a little bit to explain this candle. So imagine like you have one red candle, which is filled, and then the second red candle is formed in such a case that it starts higher than the middle of the previous one, so like that. And then it also tries to form a shadow here, meaning that there is still uptrend case. So the fact that it has started with this actual jump tells that expectation of traders is actually that there is a strong reversal. Plus, given, as I said, the high amount of volume here, we can expect very strong bullish pressure being formed, as I said, although it's not yet there, but it's indeed being formed. And for next week, I would advise closely watch this stock and wait for possible reversal. For the longer play, let's say, more than 2 weeks, this might be still a bit risky, because after the reversal is observed and stock will end up, it still will be some uncertainty, because as I also mentioned in many other videos, the second quarter is to be finalized soon, and the end of July. Well, at the end of June and beginning of July, there will be many actually second quarter reports issued, and overall expectation is not that positive for the market due to COVID situation. So, being honest, any prediction that goes beyond the quarter two reports is a little bit risky and can be done only for companies with extremely solid history of performance, and actually huge companies with market capitalization of capital of several billions dollars, with a strong history of positive forecasting and actually performance. Therefore, let's not make so long, let's say, predictions here, but for the next week or two, I would say this stock is forming very bullish pressure, and if you buy in those boxes, it can be a very interesting buy opportunity. Thank you and good luck. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.